Hello, Wallace Middle School Colts and our Kern River Valley families. This is Mrs. Bogart coming to you for the backyard of Corona University. And I have an advanced version of chromatography to go over with you today. This is also kind of what I call scientific tie-dye. And if we were in real class, my 8th graders would be doing this. But since I'm not, we'll do it together here. You're going to need a light colored cotton t-shirt. It doesn't have to be white and it doesn't have to be brand new. So anything you have laying around the house. So here you can see I just have a white cotton t-shirt. I have rubbing alcohol, and today I'm using 70%. Any percent will do. So any rubbing alcohol you have at home, totally fine. I also have a bunch of different cups with different size and circumferences. If we were doing in this classroom, I would be using beakers, but cups and mugs and old jars of my favorite salsa con queso, anything will do. I also have some rubber bands so that I can hold the fabric tight, but if you don't have rubber bands, just use your hands. It's totally fine. I also have permanent markers, Sharpies, my favorite brand, but you can use whatever permanent marker you have. So the idea of this, you're also going to need, here I have a pipette, but that's what we use in science. So if you don't have a pipette, you can use a straw, and you can just use your finger on the straw to do drips, or you could also just use a spoon. So you could use a spoon and you could do your drips that way. So the idea behind this is we're going to put a cup inside of our t-shirt. We're going to pull that fabric tight over the opening of that cup. I use a rubber band to help me. You can just use your hands, totally fine. Then you're going to take your Sharpies, whatever colors you like, and you're just going to make some patterns of dots or squiggles. You can use letters, you can do little drawings, whatever you like. I tend to not be super good artistically, so like I do like little lines and polka dots, but you feel free to do whatever you have. And I know a lot of my students have amazing science, amazing artistic ability. So whatever it is that you want to do. Now, chromatography separates pigments according to size, and larger pigments will move a shorter distance and smaller pigments will move a farther distance. And we're going to use rubbing alcohol as our solvent and our solute, which is the pigment. And we're going to just take the rubbing alcohol and we're just going to slowly drip it right in the very center of our drawing. And as you drip it, you're going to see that the pigments inside will start to spread. And they will spread to the circumference of your opening. So there you go. So you can see I've done several. I've done really big ones using really big cups and really small ones using really small. So you go ahead and try this at home. Share your pictures or videos in the comments.